Exercise 6.1, question number 5. A stone is dropped in a quick lake and the wave moves in a circle at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. Is it? Now, when the stone is dropped here, suppose this is that. The waves moves like this at a fast speed. Is it? Again, if it is a stone is dropped here, suppose, then the waves moves like this. If the waves moves like this means radius is increasing. Is it? Here this is radius is increasing. Radius is increasing at rate. Speed is given. So that is what is say dr by dt. Is it? When the circle is increasing, what it means to say? It means that radius is increasing. Radius is increasing. Is it? As far as speed is spread like waves. Okay. So radius is increasing means dr by dt. So we must know what is given to us. So a stone is dropped in a quick lake and the waves moves in circle at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. Okay. Why the waves moves? Because radius is increasing. Is it? So this speed means rate. So what is it say? dr by dt. So dr by dt 5 centimeter per second. At the instance when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast enclosed area? Okay, how area you have to find. How fast means dt, area. So dA by dt you have to find when the radius is increasing when the radius is 8 centimeter. Okay, that means to say. So area, what is this form? The base is form of a circle, so area of a circle, and we have to find dA by dt. Now it is simple. This is only understanding what you have to understand. Focus, your focus must be on understanding the question. Once you understand, then it is easy. So area of the circle A is equal to pi r square. So derivative with respect to t, dA by dt is 2 pi r with respect to power. Okay, so 2 pi r, and now we'll take the derivative of r, dr by dt. Okay, dr by dt is given 5 centimeter. Substitute the value. Is it? So we'll get dA by dt is 10 pi r. At r, where we have to check? Where it is 8 centimeter. R it 8 centimeter. So dA by dt oblique 8 is equal to 80 pi centimeter square per second. Let's move on to 6th question. The radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. So dr by dt, rate means dt, radius, so dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increasing the circumference? Circumference means c by rate. So c, circumference is c, then it is dc by dt you have to find. So circumference of the circle c is 2 pi r. So derivative with respect to t is dc by dt is equal to 2 pi dr by dt. Is it? R. This is no power of r. So directly you have to take the derivative of r. R is dr by dt. Dr by dt is 0.7. Is it? So dt by dc is 1. If you multiply this, 1.7 pi centimeter per second. 7th question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at a rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change in perimeter. Is it? And the area of the rectangle. Let P and A be the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Let P and A be the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Is it? Now this is decreasing means minus. Is it? So what is decreasing? The length. Length is x. So dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter per minute. Width is increasing, which is y. So dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute. Is it? What is the perimeter? A. Question is the perimeter. Perimeter is what? P is equal to 2 a plus v. Okay, perimeter of the rectangle. So P is equal to 2 in the bracket x plus y. Okay, understand? So here p is equal to xy, so dp by dt is equal to constant. You have to take the derivative of x, dx by dt plus dy by dt. Is it? Dx by dt is minus 5 and dx by dy by dt is plus 4. So 5 plus 4, minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So dp by dt will be minus 2. Is it? Or we can say minus 1. Now what you have to substitute? Is it? When x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. But there is no variable left here. So you have to write like this only. Is it clear? There is no variable left. We already taken derivative, so there is no variable. If it is x square or y square, there would have been here x and y, then would have substitute the value of x and y. Got it? But since now there is no x and y here, there is no coefficient of x and y here. There is no x and y variable. So we have to take dy by dt, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 8, same as, is it? Minus 2 centimeter per second. Okay, equal to area of rectangle is L into B, x into y. So derivative with respect to x, dA by dt is equal to x. We'll keep as a constant. We'll take the derivative of y, dy by dt, plus y as a constant and dx by dt. Is it? We know what is the value of x. X is 8, y is 6. So we already substitute dA by dt. We got these things. Okay. Now you substitute. What is the value? dy by dx and dx by dy by dx, and what is that? d by dt, is it? Okay, dt and dx by dt. So substituting this value of this, we'll get the value as 32 minus 30, that is 2 meter per second. So area is 2 centimeter per second, which is always remains spherical on a inflation, is being flattered by pumping in 900 centimeter cube per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. When your balloon is a spherical shape, okay, it is flattened when it is a spherical shape. But when you blow the pump with a pump, okay, air is blown into it, it is increasing, okay, inflated by fuming 900 centimeter per cube. So let r be the radius and v be the volume of a balloon. So dv by dt, is it? This is cubic, means volume is increasing when you fill the air in the balloon. So what rate is increasing? It is per second, so it is a rate. So dv by dt. So volume is increasing when you put the air, when you filling the balloon with the what? Air. So dv by dt is 900 centimeter cube per second. What rate at which the radius of the balloon increasing? Okay, the radius is increasing. Is it? The shape is changing. It is a spherical, so radius is increasing. So we have to find the rate at which the radius is increasing when the air is blown in the balloon. So dr by dt at what? When the radius become 15 centimeter. Is it? Okay. So see here, volume is a spherical. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. If you take derivative, so dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Is it? With respect to power 3 r square, and with respect to r, dr by dt. Is it? dv by dt is given 900. If we simplify this, okay, at dr by dt, what should be the dr by dt? At 15. So if you substitute dr by dt as a 15, okay, understand? So what you will get? This will cancel out, and what we finally will get? 1 upon pi. Is it? dr by dt. How you do it? Make a subject of formula. Bring all these things down. Okay, understand? Then you substitute. Where r? But there is no r. See here. If you divide it, you will get 900 divided by 900 divided by 4 pi into 15 into 15. and the subject of formula will be dr by dt. So dr by dt at r is equal to 15. But is there any r here? Do you find any r here? No. So we cannot substitute 15. As previous sum also, x and y, no? Here you see x and y. X and y was there, but there is no x and y variable in this, so we cannot substitute. Okay, so here also r is 15 is asked, but there is no r left here, so we cannot substitute. Just simplify it. In that case, just simplify it, you'll get 1 upon pi.